Hello, my name is Ravil, and in this video I would like to share with you some practical ideas on how to use Mola Structural Kit in education. Maybe it seems difficult to use it in classes, but in my experience it can be naturally become part of educational process. Here I use only one pack of each kit. And it seems not enough for a big group of people, but watch this video till the end and I will show you that with the right approach we can make a big impact with only these 3 packs. From my point of view, Mola Structural Kit can be used in 2 ways. First, explaining one phenomenon of structural mechanics separately, and second, analyze the model of building in general. Speaking about structural mechanics concepts, you can start from demonstration of these fundamental concepts as compression, tension and bending in beams and in columns. It's easy to do with the spring, and in this pack there are a lot of springs. But also you can build this type of frame structure where you can explain the behavior of your frame, how your beam behaves, your column behaves in your frame. Second thing is boundary conditions and supports. With these 3 packs we have 18 bases and a lot of springs. With this base and spring we can make a really good demonstration of this simplification as a pin connection, and also I can model a fixed connection, explain how it rotates, explain reactions that appears in my beam with a pin support, fixed support. It's so easy to show. Another interesting observation is difference between simply supported beam and continuous beam. Here you can see model of 2 simply supported beams. They are independent, and with this element from kit number 2 I can make a model of 1 continuous beam, and to show how our beam, like one continuous beam, work differently and moments goes from one side to another side if I apply load in this point. Another interesting thing is to study column slenderness and to show the change of effective length of your column depending on boundary conditions. At the same time we can build and analyze 3-dimensional structural models like this that I have on my table, or like another examples that you can find everywhere. You can organize a class where you provide students with schemes of your building and they need to build it according to a scheme. You can discuss it, analyze building in general. If you want to get Mola Structural Kit for educational or personal use, you can order it from BeaMalevich website. It's the official distributor of Mola Structural Kit in European Union. If you go to official website, going down, you can find a link to BeaMalevich store. Do you have more ideas for using Mola Structural Kits in classes? Share them in comments.